Good morning, everybody. I woke up today and was thinking about lunch. And I thought, maybe I should make some soup. And then I thought, what recipe should I use? And then I remembered Emily's recipe, my Emily. When she was a little girl, she used to make backyard soup all the time. So I thought, all right, let's do it. Let's make some backyard soup. So if you're going to make backyard soup, you're going to need a pot. I have a blue one. Ask Mommy and Daddy what one you can use. You're going to need scissors, if you're allowed. If not, Mommy and Daddy are going to have to help you. A spoon to mix. Maybe some measuring tools. Mine's a gingerbread man. It says 1 teaspoon. A measuring cup. And some water. Okay. The very first thing you have to do is take your scissors and go around the yard and find everything that you want in your soup. I happen to have a lot of flowers in my yard. I have a rose bush. So I have a rose. And I'm going to take my rose apart. These are called the petals. I have a cupcake pan so I can put all my ingredients in my cupcake pan. Ooh, look at the colors inside that rose petal. It's yellow at the bottom and pink on the outside. I like that. I wonder if this is going to taste like lemons and strawberries because it's yellow. Okay, got a bunch of the rose petals. Oh, wait, look. This is kind of a science experiment too. Look inside my rose. Can you see inside that? That's pretty cool. So when you're getting your ingredients ready, look inside things, see what you find. If you don't have any flowers in your yard, it's okay. Maybe, oh, look, I found a white flower. Let's see what it looks like when I take off the petals. Oh, these don't come off as well. Okay, I'm gonna put that in there. If you don't have any flowers in your yard, maybe you could go for a walk. Look, there's the inside of that one. Can you see it? Maybe you can go for a walk and look for flowers on the side of the road. There's all kinds of flowers in the weeds. I had some berries on one of my trees. And then this flower I had inside my house. I'm growing these too. And it's called a Gerber daisy. And I'm going to use that one too. So I'm going to take that one apart. Ooh, look how easy those come off. I just pull, pull, pull. You see the inside? You see how they're attached? Okay. So this is going to take a while. You're not going to get it done fast. Go for a walk with Mom maybe or Dad, or go in your backyard. Look at that. It looks awesome. So, and then I got this thing. It kind of smells a little like an onion. It's not an onion, but it smells like one. Okay, so I have all my ingredients. You're going to pour some water in your soup bowl. There we go. And let's see. I'm going to add some of this greenery. Stuff that tastes like onions. And look, I'm going to chop it up. Put it in my bowl. This is a good day, a good way to start your day. I'm going to do a little bit of my Gerber daisy petals. This was called a succulent kind of plant that if you break it off and stick it in the dirt, a new one will grow. I'm going to use a little bit of that. I have a lot of succulents at my house too. There we go. I'm definitely going to do some rose petals. I think I'm going to cut them because it's kind of fun to cut plants and leaves. What else do I have? Maybe you want to put some rocks in your soup. I didn't. And are we really going to eat this? No, it's just pretend. But instead of having a tea party with your stuffies, you could have a soup party. I'm going to go ahead and put that whole thing in there. There we go. And my soup, oh, I forgot the white flowers. I have a lot of stuff to put in my soup. I'm going to cut some of that too. There we go. I always like salt and pepper in my soup. I'm going to add some pepper and some salt. I'm going to give it a stir. When you're cooking soup, you always got to measure it. I don't have anything to put in there, but I'm just going to pretend. Put some in there. Okay. I think I have my soup done. Let me see if I can show you. Nope. I'll try tilting the camera. Well, I pull it out with the soup and spoon. I have my bowl and my spoon. Here it goes. Get a little more. I'm hungry today. Let's see if I can show you now. There we go. You can see it a little bit. Ah! Be careful, your soup is hot. There we go. There is my nature soup, or backyard soup, or you can name it front yard soup if you make it in your front yard, wherever you make it. Anyway, have a soup party today and enjoy yourself. Get outside, but ask Mom before you cut her flowers, okay? Not too many. All right, happy cooking, friends. I love you.